My name is Rigved Purane and I am pursuing mechanical engineering from Bajaj Institute of Technology. I came here at VR Jamdar Siemens Center of Excellence for 30 hours course on robotics and CNC, where I have learned so many things about CNC and also done a programming on the software which is provided by Siemens, and also get a chance to work hands-on work on CNC machines, where we learn practical applications and industrial applications of how CNC machines work. Thank you.